Hello channel viewers, Jean here. Did we possibly stumble across a huge buried structure on Mars? For those of you that watch my videos, you might recall I did an ode to Eugene Roddenberry and Arthur C. Clarke some time ago, in which I featured this MRO context camera photograph, and I showed you what looks like the Starship Enterprise without the warp nacelles sort of parked or landed there on the Martian surface. And in that same CTX photograph, that what looks like a huge megalithic block sort of buried on the Martian surface. So that was my sort of fun ode to Roddenberry and Clarke. So the new one is right there, and it also looks like a really huge buried structure, or possibly megalith. This is the CTX page. I'll include the link in the description below. This is that CTX zoomed out. You can see that this is the only feature that looks like this in this entire area, so it's quite out of place. Nothing else quite like it. Zoomed in a little closer, and then 1:1 scale. So it's this really long, narrow structure or object, about 5 kilometers long, about 800 meters across, so really huge, and also partially buried in the Martian sand. This is the HiRISE photograph of that object. NASA calls it an interesting feature on northern plains. A really interesting feature, I'd say. Acquisition date 20th of August 2015, 50 centimeters per pixel, and the JP2 rather small, only 237 megabytes. So if you get a chance, have a look at that one. This is the cropped low-res JPEG in which I show you this object. So this is the top part of that structure or object, and you can see from the shadow that's being cast that this is definitely some sort of buried object. This is the middle part, and what I found interesting was that there was one of these disc-like objects with a little dome on the top, and for those of you that watch my videos, you'll know I've featured so many of those now I've lost count. And then this is the bottom part. Rather strange lines and geometry over here. Doesn't look quite natural. So a 90-degree angle, straight sides. So let's quickly go over to Google Earth Mars and check it out. And this is the area in which you'll find it. Very close to the 56 degrees north latitude line that I've featured quite extensively in previous videos. And let's quickly have a look at some of the other anomalies we've found on that line. There's that the artwork, the Kanowski artwork, and then next to it the pyramid with the Kanowski arch. So I encourage you guys to check that out if you get a chance. And then to the west we've got those sort of geoglyphs, these circular features that also look rather artificial. And then if you follow the 56-degree north latitude line and the Kanowski-Stokes Kotka line, you get to, sorry guys, I mean just turn, this is horrible, just turn it up, you get to Stokes crater, where we found more artificial looking structures or ruins. So could that be another huge megalithic block or a buried structure? Please comment below and let me know what you guys think. And for those that haven't subscribed, please do so and turn on notifications. So with my next upload, you'll receive your notification. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.